Ayurveda says Vata, Pitta and Kapha, these are the three organizations. They govern our unique psychophysiology called Prakruti and psychopathology called Vikruti. So Prakruti, Vikruti is nothing but it is the expression and behavior of these three doshas into their respective places in the body. Out of them, Vata is a biological element, combination of ether and air. Vata is dry, light, cold, mobile, clear and dispersing. These are the quality. Vata is dry. Therefore, Vata can create dry skin, dry joint, cracking and popping of the joint. Vata is dry. Light, Vata is light. Person become light-headedness, person become light in the muscle, light in the body frame and light skeleton. So that lightness comes from Vata Dosha. Vata is cold, and because of cold Vata, poor circulation, cold hand, cold feet, this is a symptom of aggravation of Vata Dosha because Vata is cold. So Ruksha Lagu Shita Khara, Khara is rough. Rough quality of Vata create dry, rough, scaly skin, hemorrhoids and fissures and fistula. These disorders can happen because of rough quality of Vata. Dry, light, cold, mobile. Vata is mobile. Mobile quality is necessary for normal movement like flexion, extension, abduction, adduction. But if there are abnormal, too much movement, that is a Vata aggravation. Aggravated Vata will create tremors. Aggravated Vata will create muscle tics and spasm. And aggravated Vata will create insomnia and too much bumper to bumper driving of the thought. So that is mobile chalagunati, chalaguna. So ruksha lagu shita khara sukma chala vishada. Vishada means clear. Clear quality, so clear, so clairvoyant. Therefore Vata people are clairvoyant. They understand the thing immediately and they forget the thing immediately. Nothing remains. And that's why Vata people end up with, if you ask the question, they end up with, I know, but they know anything. They don't know anything because knowing is just glamour, but it is not reality. They know the thing immediately and they forget the thing immediately. So Vata dosha has this quality: dry, light, cold, mobile, clear, dispersing. The taste of the Vata is astringent, dry, choking sensation. If you eat green skin banana, then you will get drying choking sensation. That drying choking sensation of green banana is called Kashaya, astringent quality. And astringent quality belongs to the Vata dosha. Therefore, Vata can create constipation, gas and bloating because of astringent quality. So, Ruksha Lagu Shita Khara Sukshma Chala Vishado Anilaha. Anila means Vata. And Anila Vata is called Pavan. Pavan means rustle among the leaves. Pavan is wind. And bodily dosha, Vata, is a principle of movement. Normal physiologically, Vata is responsible for inhalation, exhalation, happiness, joy, creativity, and all bodily movements, afferent and efferent, sensory and motor, voluntary and involuntary, all these movements are governed by Vata. So Vata dosha is a very important dosha in the human body. Certain emotions are related to the Vata. Creatively, Vata is very good. Normally, Vata is good for creativity, imagination, activity, thought, feelings, emotion. But when Vata is too much high, then Vata will create anxiety, insecurity, loneliness, and nervousness. These are psychological feelings of Vata. And when Vata is out of balance, then person can get constipation, gas, bloating. Then other important symptoms that are present because of increased Vata dosha: tics and spasm, cracking of the joint, popping of the joint. Karshya, karshnoshna, kamitva. Karshya means imagination. Karshnya means blackish, brownish discoloration. And Ushna Kamita, craving for the heat because Vata is cold and Vata people have poor circulation, cold hand, cold feet. They hate cold, they love warm. So Karshnoshna Kamitum, Kampa is tremor, Kampanaha, anaha means abdominal distension. Shakrudgraha means constipation. So karsha karshnoshna kamitvam kampanaha shakrudgharan bala nidra indriya bhramsha. Bala nidra indriya bhramsha means depletion of energy, diminished sleep, and lack of sensory perception, indriya bhramsha. So these symptoms are related to the Vata dosha. And pralapa brahmadinata, Vata is high, person goes on talking blah blah blah. If there is no one to talk, he will talk to the wall, talk to the tree, talk to the bird. If there is no one to talk, he will talk to himself. So this is aggravation of Vata dosha, and increased Vata can create insomnia, arthritis, rheumatism, sciatica, and osteoporosis.